What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Everything DSK.
So guys, we have to move this vending machine. This is me just taking out all the snacks of this vending machine. We're gonna move it to a different location, and we're gonna put our combo machine in this location. So as you guys can see here, I'm taking out the money, putting it in the bag, and putting the coins in the bag as well. We have so many coins, and there we are moving the vending machine. And as you guys know from our previous videos, vending machines are no joke when it comes to moving them. Guys, we officially got this vending machine in here. Got a little water on it, got a little rainy, so.
So, this machine, all the candy's been selling out, so we know that they're obsessed with candy and they don't like the chips that much.
A little bit of cha-ching in there, a little bit of cha-ching.
This place is only open once a week, so it's a church. Didn't expect that much. Pretty good though.
Guys, we got the vending machine in the car.
Russell family had to come through, you know the vibes. Job's not done unless the Russells come through.
And job's not finished, you feel me? Working when y'all not working, all that good stuff.
So, we should get back.
No, push up.
Donald.
No, it's right here. Right here. It's gonna fit in because we need some space for snacks.
Okay, so we need to lean it and pull the pallet out of it, right?
No, let's try to push back as far as we can before we take the salad out. So I'm not scratching the floor.
Guys, we just have our new location set and ready to go. We just need electricity and we are all set. But stay tuned, everyone. Stay tuned. We're not in it. This is our new machine. We spent $1,600. It took us forever to get this machine inside. This is a beautiful glass front machine. And we also have this machine too that we're gonna fill up. So stay tuned.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the sun. I wanna ride the all night, working in the sun. I wanna Do you remember felt so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
So guys, we're kind of unprepared. Because it's Sunday. The store is closed early, so we didn't have a chance to come and like grab snacks. But this is all we had. For tomorrow, this is what we're going shopping tomorrow. So
Okay, guys, so we are basically done for today. We still have to fill the machines because obviously it's looking bare. But this was just like leftover stuff we had, and we tried to fill it to the best of our ability. But the machines are working. Can you hear that? The buzzing? The machines are working good. So tomorrow, Donna's gonna come and he's going to finish filling these by himself. I won't be here, sadly, guys.
hopefully 1K, it's probably on 1K location, 1K plus a month, hopefully, God willing, all that good stuff. We're gonna see you guys in the next video.
See you tomorrow.
Guys, Sarahkay is not here, but we're back, and the machine is looking beautiful. We have a few empty slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That we might get a few more drinks, or 6 right there, but like everything, it looks so nice. Everything's so cool. I'm so happy, guys. So to God be the glory.
trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't stand. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then again, already know around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. Coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for the way. Going through the motions.
Okay, guys. So as you guys know, the drink machine almost done. I still have a few empty slots. Snack machine, I have a whole row. But this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give us a like, comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. A lot of you guys watch our videos and don't subscribe, but this is literally free game. We're literally giving you guys like the tools and the stuff that you need to start your own vending machine business. Sarahkay is not here, but we still have to get the job done. So hopefully everyone has a great rest of their day. Enjoy their week, whatever. Also, too, I'm putting a free snack and I'm putting a free drink. So if anybody sees those locations, the first one to get there wins. So, deuces.
Share back here.